if we make our pricing public and we just have a standard rate for the standard house, $599.99, $5,900, $10,000, $15,000, get you XYZ, and just standardize it. Just had the visualization of that, just like really being able to scale, just being transparent. Because if we just get rid of contractors going to people's homes, bullshitting their way around, adding profit here, thinking about their pocket here, how can I charge for this? And just standardize this shit. Kind of like the way Ford did with the car. And we can give you a smart home, all electric, solar, heat pumps, appliances, rebates, financing options, all one package for X, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, and just publicize it. If we just change the game like that, the amount of volume that will attract, we can get contractors to do the work for us. That's no problem. But that's the way to scale it. Just be transparent. 3 tiers. Standard house, deluxe house, platinum house, whatever. Schneider Electric's smart home. Sunrun solar panels. Mitsubishi heat pumps. The whole package. That's the way to scale it. That's the way you must do New World Energy. Just publicize it. That's it. That'll really change the game. That's how it needs to be done.